Hello everyone, I am Nehal from WS Cube Tech, and in this video we are going to talk about what is the exact difference between this artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So let's get started. So as you can just see this Venn diagram over here, so this AI, it just acts as a broader umbrella, and inside this comes this machine learning. So this machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and this deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Now let's just explore these terms in details one by one. So let's just start with the artificial intelligence. So see, artificial intelligence is made up of two words. And which are those words? That is artificial and intelligence. So artificial means which is not real, and intelligence means brain power. So we are providing this artificial intelligence to our machines so that they can mimic human intelligence. Now, depending upon the intelligence or capabilities, this artificial intelligence is divided as weak AI and strong AI. So this weak AI is also called as applied AI, and this strong AI is also called as generalized AI. So we call such a machine a weak AI that are just designed to perform some specific tasks but in an effective manner. Let me just give you the real life examples. So the example of this weak AI over here is this Amazon Alexa or Apple Siri. So these devices are nothing but they are the virtual personal assistants. So Alexa can do quick maths for you. It can just play your favorite music. It can provide you with the news and weather information. And it can even control many of your home smart products, like you can just ask these devices to turn on the television. So this is all about this weak AI over here. Now talking about the strong AI. So we will just call a machine a strong AI who works or behaves exactly the way we humans do. So currently we are just working with this weak AI, and the future of AI is gonna be the strong AI, for which it is just said that it could be much more intelligent than humans. So the example of strong AI that I can just give you is, say, as soon as a coffee maker machine hears the word good morning, so it will just decide to turn it on for you. So this is the example of the strong AI. So this strong AI machine has complex algorithms that can actually think and carry out tasks on their own, just like we humans do. Whereas with this weak AI, the machines cannot carry out the task on their own, and they just rely on the human interference. Now let's talk about what is machine learning. So see, machine learning is made up of two words, that is machine and learning. Machine means a device and learning means gaining knowledge. That is, a device is gonna learn. So machine learning is a subset or type of artificial intelligence which enables machine to learn from past data or experience without being explicitly programmed. So machine learning works on algorithms that learns from data, and machine learning comprises of algorithms such as supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning. And we are going to understand all these terms in our further coming tutorials. So machine learning works only for specific domains, such as if we are just creating a machine learning module to detect pictures of mountains. So it will only give you results for these mountain images. But if you just provide a new data like ocean image, then it won't respond, because since we have just trained our machine for the mountain images only, so it can only predict the mountains. And if the new data set comes beyond the scope, it can't predict it. So in machine learning, a machine with the help of algorithm and data first learns, trains itself, then a model is prepared, which is capable of doing further predictions. Now, if the predictions are not accurate enough, so a machine improves itself on its own. That is, you will only need to build a model once with the help of this algorithm. And later the model itself is going to learn and improve itself until accurate predictions are obtained. Now, the point to be remembered over here is that this machine learning is a subset of weak artificial intelligence. Now, let me just give you the applications of this machine learning. So talking about the first example over here is that machine learning is used in recommendation engines such as Netflix or YouTube. Okay. Second one is that it is used in auto-friend tagging suggestions, just like the Facebook app. It uses this auto-friend tagging suggestion. So it is just making use of this machine learning. The third example over here is that in detecting the spam emails, just like the Gmail, how it used. So the Gmail is using this machine learning in order to just separate out this spam emails and it just put those spam emails in another folder, and in the inbox the valid emails just goes. So these are the applications where this machine learning is being used. Now talking about the deep learning. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which means to learn in depth, in detail. That is to learn in such a way that a machine can imitate the way human gains certain type of knowledge. Now here it is quite necessary to understand how our human brains actually works. So see, inside our human brains, it consists of millions of these tiny neurons which helps us in learning and making decisions. And similarly, in respect to this deep learning, it uses artificial neural networks in order to just imitate just like the humans. So we refer this type of learning as deep because the neural network has various deep layers that enables in-depth learning, to learn in detail. Now let me just give you the applications of this deep learning over here. So the first one is that automatic machine translation. So see, deep learning algorithm can automatically translate between languages, say from one language, from Hindi to Marathi, or some from Marathi to Japanese. So likewise, this deep learning is being used in automatically machine translations. The second one over here is that colorization of black and white images. So see, image colorization is a process of taking this black and white images, or these black and white images are also called as grayscale images. So we are taking these grayscale images as an input and then processing it in the colored image as an output. So deep learning is used in this colorization of this black and white images over here. Moreover to this, deep learning is also used in fraud news detections. So see, in today's world, internet has become the primary source of gaining information. Now it becomes extremely hard to segregate which is the real news and which are the fake ones. So deep learning just helps in detecting the fake news and remove it from the feed, thus providing you with the genuine news over here. So this deep learning is going to be your next evolution of this machine learning. It is an advanced technique compared to this machine learning, and it will give you far better results compared to this machine learning over here. Okay, suppose that I give you one more example over here. So suppose you create a machine that can just differentiate between a cat and a dog. So if using this machine learning, we need to tell the machine the features based upon which the two can be differentiated. Now, what would be the features? So we will say that consider the ears, then eyes, tail, okay? So these features would be considered in case of this machine learning. Whereas in case of this deep learning, these features would be just find it out with the help of this neural network without this human involvement over here. So let's quickly do a recap like what we have studied in today's tutorial over here. So we studied this Venn diagram, and it says that artificial intelligence acts as a broader umbrella. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So artificial intelligence is a technique that enables a machine to mimic human behaviors, and based upon its intelligence, it is classified as weak AI and strong AI. So with strong AI, machines can actually think and carry out tasks on their own just like we humans do. Whereas with weak AI, the machines cannot do this on their own and they rely on human interference. Talking about this machine learning, so machine learning is a technique to achieve this artificial intelligence through algorithms trained with the past data or historic data and can just acquire skills without human involvement. So talking about this deep learning, so deep learning is a type of machine learning inspired by the structure of human brain. So in terms of this deep learning, this structure is called as artificial neural networks, and it will just comprise of all the algorithms of how a human brain actually works over here. So this was all about in today's session. So I hope that you have now got a clear idea about what is the exact difference between this artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So if you just like this video, so hit the like button, share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.